Hi guys, Venkatesh here. Welcome to the next tutorial. We'll download the Eclipse Ide and install it. So let's open a browser and type into Google Eclipse Ide, and the link that we want is going to be this one here. Don't worry, I will leave a link in the description below. So go ahead and click this. And then go to download here. Okay, depending on your operating system, select the appropriate one. I'm using Windows, so I will select this one. And then download here. Okay, just wait for your download to complete. Okay, once your download is complete, go to the folder where it's been downloaded to. Mine's in downloads. As you can see here, Eclipse inst-win64. Just double click that. And here you can see the various packages that are available from Eclipse. The one that we require is going to be Eclipse Ide for Java developers. Just go ahead and click this. And here, just accept the default installation folder. You may choose another one if you wish. And then click install. Accept now. Accept. And just select all. And then accept selected. Okay, so Eclipse has been installed successfully. Just click launch to go ahead and open Eclipse. Okay, here the Eclipse Workspace is where the resources and where your project files are stored. Just keep the default, you can change it if you wish, and click launch. Okay, excellent guys, we've successfully installed the Eclipse Ide and launched it. In the next tutorial, I'll run a simple program in Eclipse and explain why it's preferable to use an IDE such as this. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe and the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.